La Luna herself and see what she has to say. I love the Moon Oracle, guys. Let the phases of the moon guide your life. And I'm telling you, these cards, I have such a special connection to them. I sleep with them sometimes. They're on my nightstand. We're just in alchemy, guys. We're in alchemy. And some cards I have to get to know, and they have to get to know me. But these cards just had an instant connection with them. Ooh, still love. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. There it is. Oh, Scepter, we're working with our gifts. We're raising up. Let's see what card. Ooh. Flipping it the wrong way. We got Mask. And of course, Leo's going to help us to remove our mask. We're going to have Achievement through the Earth. And here's Freya, the Black Goddess of Aquarius, to help us to expand with our truths and enter the jungle, baby, because we realize we are in the jungle. We have to see through that illusion. That's one of the biggest illusions I ever created for our people. So, the mask. We're working with Capricorn and Aquarius right there. We're going to share this message right now. From Capricorn to Aquarius, and that's our connection to Venus and Mars going from Capricorn to Aquarius, ruled by Mercury and Uranus. The perfect face of the woman wearing a patterned tiara, her brown wavy hair immaculately dressed, appears strangely impassive. A small red moon is painted between her brows. Her lips are full and sensual, but her eyes are not visible. In fact, the face is a beautiful mask. Mercury and Uranus in conjunction result in eccentric, unusual, and even deceitful thinking. Capricorn and Aquarius are in conflict. Capricorn is concerned with keeping up appearances, while Aquarius likes to break new ground and time to change old-fashioned views, the time we're in. Revealing adverse, unusual, or unexpected talk. This is connected to someone hiding something and lies. Someone is lying. They are desperately keeping up an illusion that conceals something altogether, which you need to know. Revealing that there will be a denouncement of revelation, the mask will fall. And guys, the mask is going to fall. It's connected to our opposition and music. That's the harmony. That's where the creator is. As we heal from impulse, and healing from impulse, that's the cup that the devil is offering us, wherever that cup is. And the activation of Fortuna, the daughter of Jupiter. This is working with the sun and Jupiter in order to expand with our abundance and what's rightfully ours. It's not a reward, and we need to see that. Our abundance is rightfully ours. It's our birthright, and it's been taken from us. And we're getting it back, but we're going to get it back through a choice. And a promotion with the element of air. And this hack. And there is where the mask is removed. Kali. Kali's here, the black goddess of Sagittarius. And she's here to remove this mask, because Sagittarius is helping us to come together. Look at the bow and arrow tattooed on her arm. But in order to do this, remember, we have to see through our illusions, and the mask is falling. And what cup do you want to drink from, guys? What cup? And that's where we heal from concession. Concession is lower vibrational things going on in the element of air. Gossip. Lies. Deceit. And that's connected to wedding. And these are old-fashioned love templates like arranged marriages or marriages that we're caught in that we're unhappy in, that are not in alignment with our soul. They're karmic. And that's connected to manipulation with the mother, with the water. So we're being challenged. And we're being challenged to heal and move forward with volcano. This is working with Mars and the sun in order to expand. As well as the sun and the moon have come together here. And we expand with Aries, our connection to the masculine and healing from our impulses. So look, we're not going to feed from our impulses. She's going to run a race, but she's waiting there till they say go. And she's going to store up all that energy and hold it with her body. This is working with that untapped energy. This is working with the untapped energy to free it with new patterns. So we're going to do so, guys. We're going to do so. With Hecate, past, present, and future come together. The black goddess of Capricorn and Demeter, the red goddess of Virgo, where we actually activate and expand through the earth and have a third eye activation. But this is where we work with that untapped energy and grow. But how? Remember, we're having a recharge right here. We're working with the masculine. We're holding all that energy within our body till it's time to go. And then we do it. We expand with Guru and our connection to Pisces and Pisces season. What's being offered there. And look, we've done work with our lower chakras, everything we've talked about here, in order to expand with this energy. And that's healing from our impulses. Artemis is here. This is Virgo. This is the white goddess. And this white goddess is wearing not the reflection of moonlight as she heals from her impulses, okay? She understands what's lower vibrational impulses and what is higher vibrational impulses. That's why she has the lion behind her and the deer. She's, got her hand around her neck. And we're going to feed from our impulses in a lower vibrational way and take that deer out. Like, life that we figure is weaker than us. Like, we're going to be dominant over that life. Or are we going to use that lion? And do the harder things that create the higher vibes. There's many people like, oh, that lion's gonna eat that deer. It's not like that, guys. It's not like that. We are the custodians of life, and that's connected to visitor. We come together. These are people that are in alignment with us, true love, and we build the economy of the new world, and there it is with the bridge. But right now, guys, we're in the time of the recharge. Black moon, fire. Dormant, recharge. This phase in which the moon loses all its light does not sit easily with any of the fire signs. Concerned with creative action, movement, and energy, being forced to rest and recoup your powers. While acknowledged as necessary, is always frustrating during such a time. Moon in Leo, without a creative project to exhibit with the moon in this sign, you will feel downhearted. Leo needs to be seen to be doing something great. So guys, look, we're doing something with the energy of the opposites. We're honoring it. That's why the Four of Swords is one of our activation cards today, because this is what we're doing. And remember, it's getting us to where we need to go. We have to honor this part of the transformation. All right, let's see. This is connected to. Oh, look, Neptune is mixed in the mix. Hello, Neptune. That's our connection to Pisces season. And remembering that this is connected to Pisces season and the Grand Trine with Venus, Mars, and Pluto, as well as Sagittarius and Jupiter will be helping us out within the sky. Okay. Guys, the cards are split like this for a reason. They're speaking. Here's the Eight of Chalices and the Starseed. And we know when we walked away from everything that wasn't in alignment with us, that felt lower vibrational, gross, and yucky, we were activated with the Starseed, with our Starseed patterns that we carried within us. And the moon is illuminating right now alchemy and our Six of Cups. Healing from the veil being parted with innocence and childlike wonder and mystery, and our love for innocence and children through our connection from within and our connection to without. And that's activating Ascension and the Two of Cups. We're ascending to come together, and this is the divine justice and how we expand through the earth. This is the growth. We're going to push through. And it's connected to the Four of Crystals, which we know is the Four of Earth. It's right here. And balancing karma here. And there is the purification with the Lotus. You know, we saw karma. We've been speaking about karma and channeled messages. And the Ace of Chalices and the Great Wheel are activated. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And we expand with strength through the earth. And we have the Ace plus the Nine of Crystals is the creation of the Ten of Pentacles. And this is thanks to Venus and Mars working with Capricorn and the Leo full moon. So remember, the inner child, our connection to children, our connection to the Six of Chalices has activated Indigo Child. And look, he's got a crystal as well. This is now connected to the 11 of Earth. And that is allowing us to see through our illusions. And now the Master of Flames, the masculine, and the Master of Crystals, the feminine, the father and daughter, come together with the negative tetrahedron of earth and the positive tetrahedron of fire to help us to restore balance and expand. And there it is. We do so with the Two of Crystals, allowing us to heal from the Eight of Orbs. The Eight of Orbs being mental entrapment, working with the air. Okay, and the Two of Crystals were helping us to restore balance through the earth. But we needed to seek something through the earth, with the earth, and we had to seek it within our Five of Cups situations, our sorrows. That's where we found our strength to heal with the earth. And we restore reason and we build again. And what's now being activated, we know, remember, we have a grand trine with Pluto, Venus, and Mars. And we're working with the Holy Trinity, and that's activating the Master of Chalices, okay? And remember, the King of Cups is one of our main activations. We need all elements on board. And there it is, our 10 of Cups and our 7 of Flames. We heal as we create our 10 of Pentacles through the earth. And that's connected to reflection in the Tower. And that's where, look, our shadow has been knocked off its game. We're facing our shadow. We're facing the shadows. The divine came on in and helped us out in order to achieve this. in knowing we found guidance in our lack of. And this allowed us to expand with love and the adapt of flames. And look at that. There's the healing. And we did it with the star and the higher self. And now we have the King and Queen of Cups and the meeting of the two flames. Love, light, and healing energies essentially to create with today, guys. And this is connected to Pisces season. Remember, this transformation is being honored in Pisces season. The cups are connection to Pluto and Pisces. We know we're working with Cancer as well. And all the other elements. We need us all, guys. This is unity. We're a team. I'm sending you those good healing vibes until we meet again. There's going to be an expansion reading off of the dance between Venus and Mars. Stay tuned, and it's all going to come together with our Two of Cups and our Three of Cups. Until we meet again, guys, I love you. Happy full moon in Leo.